My video guide is about removing datadefenseservice.com pop-up windows that attack Google Chrome and other popular browsers. These pop-ups by datadefenseservice.com display a lot of faulty messages claiming that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. It also displays some other scary statements that try to force people into clicking on this special proceed button. The point is that clicking on this button may forward you to some other questionable sites that may force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. In case the Allow button was mistakenly clicked on this website, you may also start receiving the great number of ads that will be displayed as random push notifications. So, what to do if you have clicked on this Proceed button? You will be forwarded to some other malicious resources that may force you to download some potentially unwanted applications. If you have clicked on that Allow button, that was also a mistake you need to fix by accessing the menu. Go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, choose Permissions and Notifications. Now check the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this datadefenseservice.com, remove this malicious site from the list and remove other junk sites from this list too. There is a good program that can help you fix your browser automatically. It is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. There is a version both for Mac and for Windows computers, but typically these scary messages and fake alerts are attacking Windows computers. So use this green button to download the software, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.